Studio now is Pat Bonine, a nurse and esthetician for the Bitar Cosmetic and Plastic Surgery Institute. Pat, thanks for joining us today. Tell us about your work in plastic surgery.
Well, I've worked for plastic surgeons for about 10 years, and Dr. Bitar is my fourth plastic surgeon that I've worked with, and he is a very gifted plastic surgeon. I moved into this field because I wanted to be involved in happy medicine, and this is most definitely happy medicine.
What do you do before and after to help a patient?
Well, I sit down with the patients when they initially come in and help them narrow down the procedures that will take care of the problems that they don't like about themselves. A lot of our patients are massive weight loss patients, and we try to focus on their priorities because they do want extreme makeovers.
Well, you have personal experience with a makeover, don't you?
Somewhat.
And you
yes.
have a show and tell.
I
Go
do.
ahead and show us that picture, if you would.
Well, the picture on the right is me 2 years ago. And a year ago, Dr. Bitar did my upper and lower eyelids, and he also took fat from my stomach and injected into these nasolabial folds that kind of helps prevent needing a facelift anytime in the near future.
Well, that's absolutely amazing. When you walked into the studio, I had no idea that you'd had any kind of work. I guess that's the key, right? You're not supposed to tell. Like a haircut.
That's right.
People look like you just had a haircut.
Exactly. That's right.
Wow, wow. What are some of the concerns that people have? I would think when you walk in, you're a little nervous. Somebody, after all, is going to work. You're talking about working on your face, your appearance, really your personality.
That's right. We don't want to change the way you look. We want you to still look like yourself, but a little more refreshed. Someone who has a crooked nose or a big hump in their nose just wants the hump removed. They want the same looking nose. We don't want to give you somebody else's nose. Dr. Bitar loves doing noses because it really is, every nose is different. And he can really do his creative art with the nose.
Thank you, Pat.
You're
Thanks
welcome.
for joining us.
Thank you very much for having me.
You.